Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your torch intensity and angle on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. Not many people have noticed, but the torch on your iPhone has been improved or has been upgraded to do more things than what it used to do before. So with the release of iOS 18.0, you can now change the torch intensity and the angle. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and bring down the control panel or the control center. Now in the control center, find the torch, which is right here. Go ahead and switch it on. Once you switch it on, you'll see this. Now here you can go ahead and change the intensity by dragging the line upwards. And if you drag it down, it'll lower the intensity. And now while it's bright, you can go ahead and select that brightness and then swipe to the middle. And as you can see, it has basically made the center of the beam a bit stronger than the sides. So if I undo this, you can tell that the light has been spread evenly. However, if you bring this in the center, concentrate it in the middle the most. So there you go guys, that is how to adjust the torch intensity and the angle on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.